instead of Firebird.
Ready?
It's badass.
Well, what else is different?
It's basically tweaked. It's special edition.
Well, how am I supposed to catch up with that?
Plus, it's numbered. They only make a certain number every time they make them.
Yeah.
So they'll have it stamped with the actual number.
Right.
Down.
Getting chased around the car by some midgets from the parking lot. What the fuck with the parking lot?
To have them in your ass.
I ain't never been on no asses.
Shit!
I've been on nasty.
I ain't been on no asses, thank God.
Hi, baby.
Woo!
It's videotaping.
No.
Fuck it.
I thought you were drinking it! It's not even going down!
I know, right?
I like
God,
this
it's
jacket.
cold.
That's a badass
Wow.
jacket. Look, it's
That
got,
is a
it's
badass
It's got a
jacket.
skull on the back.
Ooh.
You know that was custom.
Alright.
That shit was custom.
Top it off!
See ya.
Just think about that, y'all. Y'all could both be in that jacket at the same damn time.
That's our jacket,
Chug,
baby.
chug, 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 chug.
The fuck?
Oh, you're done. That's it.
Y'all
See you
are
tomorrow.
awesome.
See you tomorrow, because you're going to remember nothing else tonight.
Yeah, right.
That was only one.
Shut up, Ralphie May's on.
Fuck
Bitches.
Ralphie May.
You can fuck Ralphie May if you want, but that's gonna be smack the wave and ride it in. I'm sorry. That's a big man.
Roll it in flour, find the wet spot.
The whole damn thing's wet because them rolls be sweating. I like big men, but that's a little big.
Woo!
Sorry.
Are you still videotaping?
Yeah.
You gonna put this shit on YouTube and shit?
Yep.
I probably look
Alright,
like death.
turn the music up so we can hear.
Not that bad.
We can't.
We're going to go watch Ralphie, man.